Yamaha 150 injector cleaning. That's how you do it with a BB gun. Take the injector off. Cock the BB gun. Make sure there's no pellet inside of it. Pump it up 3 times. And then the injector sprays out. The injector sprays out this way. So you put the BB gun nozzle here and you shoot it out that way. I already mostly cleaned it, but so you shoot it out that way, and then you tap on it like this. Go ahead and shoot it a couple more times. Tap it out like that after every shot until there's no more moisture coming out. And once you do that to all 4 injectors, reassemble, and your motor's good to go.